guys, welcome to my channel. Here is my new earpod which I bought from Amazon. This is Molecule brand Bluetooth earpod, which was available on Amazon for 499 rupees. Let us unbox this thing and see what it has to offer. I have given the link in the description. Please note that this is not a promotional video. Out of curiosity, I bought this, and it looks so tiny and lightweight. This earpod comes with rechargeable battery, which holds 3 to 4 hours charging during playtime, and its standby time is up to 70 hours as per the user manual. But I will need to check this to see how much really it is. It has micro USB to standard USB to charge this device, and we need to charge this for 2 hours for complete charging. This earpod has indicator light at the side of the power button, which is also called as multi-function button. You can pair up to 2 devices, it can take calls, make calls, and as well you can hear music too. With short press we can answer and end the call, and with long press for 4 seconds it will redial the previous dialed number on the phone. We need to press the power button to switch it on, and then long press to bring it to pairing mode. Here you can see blue and red lights blinking simultaneously. Let me pair my phone first. To pair second phone we need to turn off the Bluetooth on first phone and then do the pairing with second phone. Let me show you its sound output. I will play some ringtones, you can hear with its half volume. Now let me increase the volume to full. I am holding the earpod next to the phone device, hope you can gauge its sound quality and its loudness. Here is the music sample. This device is made to answer calls only and not for music. After using this device for couple hours, I noticed that the call quality is really good, and it's loud as well, no breaking sound or disturbance, even when I moved different rooms. This gives battery backup of around 2 hours continuous talk, and standby is more than 2 days time. You can use this device for whole day with attending 5 to 8 calls of each 10 minutes duration. It's really good for travelers, bike riders and drivers. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked my video please press like button and leave a comment, and as well please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, take care.